Melissa from Buckeye Girls Lifestyle, and this is the monthly Declutter and Minimalist Challenge. Our host is Organized with Joy. Please check out her channel and the amazing creators in the playlist. This month, since it's been the holidays and Christmas and all that, I didn't declutter a whole lot. I did go through my makeup, and I found a few decor pieces that I'm going to let go of as I was decorating my home for the holidays. But other than that, I really didn't dig in and declutter like I'm going to do in January. In January, I'm going to dig in, and I'm planning in January to get rid of at least 100 pieces, 100 items from my home, to downsize and just get rid of some things and do better. So in the new year, I plan to be even more minimal than in 2024, which I have got rid of a lot of things in my home and decluttered a lot this year, to the point my husband can now tell when I declutter, because when I started, he couldn't even tell that I was decluttering. So I hope in the next year to get rid of even more, especially if we're planning on moving. We're talking about moving in the spring, so I want to continue with my declutter journey in 2025. If you have a declutter journey or a goal for 2025, please let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear about it and see what your goals are for 2025. If it's decluttering or if it's something else, I'd love to hear. Working on baking and decorating and doing all the things for Christmas, I didn't declutter as much as I normally do, but I do have about 2 boxes. First of all, I'm getting rid of this arrangement. It was pretty in its day. Just like me, it was pretty in its day. Okay, and next, this stuff here is going to be throughout. I got rid of some makeup, which I've never went through my makeup before. This is lip gloss that burns like fire. Eyeshadow that I never really used, and I'm probably not going to, and it's been with my makeup for years. More eyeshadow. I think back when couponing was a big thing, I got all this makeup for free, and I never really used it. Even at my former job, I had a makeup allowance where they gave me so much for makeup, and I just never really wore that much makeup. Mascara that it always bothered my eyes, so I didn't like to wear it very often. And one Benadryl stick that's dried up, so if you got stung by anything, it wouldn't help anyway. This is all trash, and this will probably go to the. And I got rid of one bell. Oh, bells! I got rid of one bell. And I got rid of a boot, which it was really pretty and cute. I hung this on my door for about a couple springs, and now I'm just over it. I'm getting rid of this cross, and I'm getting rid of this horse. Like I said, not much, but I'm just doing a little decluttering as I put stuff out for Christmas. So I got a box to go to the Goodwill. Okay, I did quickly go through some of my table runners, and I'm getting rid of 2 table runners and 2 sets of napkins. 3 table runners. I forgot I had this one back here.